Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got your footage and comp ready. Now start by choosing the fastest, most flexible method. Select the layer and enable time remapping via Layer Time, enable time remapping, or hit Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Use time remapping when you want speed ramps because it creates keyframes you can move, and use time stretch if you only need a uniform 2x or 0. 5x speed change. Once enabled, scrub the playhead and note the remap keyframes you'll edit next. Now you'll change the actual timing. Move the remap keyframes closer together to speed up or spread them out to slow down. That simple spacing controls your rate. Make sure to open the graph editor to shape speed curves. This gives smooth ease in and ease out, and it's why you don't get sudden jumps. If you need cleaner motion when slowing or speeding, toggle frame blending or apply pixel motion blur. These improve interpolation, especially for large changes. Finish by previewing an RAM to confirm timing and audio. If audio sounds odd, enable Preserve Audio Pitch or detach and conform audio separately. When satisfied, render with your encoder, matching comp frame rate and resolution so speed stays consistent. If you see jitter or ghosting, try pixel motion blur or increase the comp FPS to 48 or 60 and re-render. That usually fixes stutter. Finally, save a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.